Hey, welcome back everyone. Today we get to review this really cool camera stabilizer that was sent to me by Fantaseal on Amazon. I've been using it for about a week now, just testing out footage. I will be comparing a Canon Rebel T5 with a GoPro with my iPhone XS, which is what this video is being recorded on right now. Fantaseal did a really good job making this camera stabilizer. It is kind of awkward to bring around with you, like you can't really like fold it up and store it very well. It kind of takes up a lot of room, but it's very lightweight and it's only like $22, so if you're balling on a budget, this is a great stabilizer to go with. So without wasting any more time, let's check out this test footage. So the first thing I noticed is the Canon is still pretty shaky, but the GoPro footage actually turned out to be a little bit smoother compared to when you're holding the GoPro just in your hand, and those footages can get very shaky at times. However, in this first trial, the thing that won the most was the iPhone XS. It's very clean, very stabilized, but again, you're comparing a $1,000 phone to a $22 camera stabilizer, so it's hard to make that comparison. In this second footage, I'm testing the vertical stabilization of it. Again, the GoPro definitely does better than the Canon, but the one that wins this round again is the iPhone XS. For the third test, I went downstairs. Again, it's the same results every time. The Canon is still kind of shaky, better than if you were just holding it in your hand. The GoPro is definitely better than holding it in your hand. And the GoPro and the Canon are on the Fantaseal Camera Stabilizer, and the iPhone is handheld, but it still turns out with the best footage. I mean, it's clear, it's smooth, and it just flows very nicely. So one thing I noticed throughout all of these is the Canon, when it's on the Fantaseal, seems to be stabilized for the up and down motion, but when it comes to the left and right, it's not very still. But overall, I mean, the iPhone won each time. The video looks way better, it's so smooth. But again, I just want to reiterate that it's a $1,000 phone versus a $22 stabilizer, so you get what you pay for. Also, all these footages are raw, unedited, 1080p, 24 frames. I wanted you guys to see what it looks like right out of production. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. I had fun making this. Thank you again, Fantaseal, for sending me that stabilizer. It's very cool. I'm definitely going to keep using it. I'm going to Pittsburgh in a few weeks. Going to be recording a video there. I will definitely use that, and I will edit the footage and see what it looks like differently when it's raw versus an edited version of it. And hopefully I'll come out with a second video of this to give a more in-depth review. Thank you for watching and have a great day.